To make your own character in Polybuzz, start by launching the application and clicking on the Create button. This will take you to the character creation menu where you can choose from various templates or start from scratch. Select the blank template to begin designing your character. Next, choose the body type and shape that suits your character, and then select the facial features, including the eyes, nose, and mouth. You can customize each feature to your liking by adjusting the size, shape, and color. After customizing the facial features, move on to the hair and accessories. Choose a hairstyle that fits your character and add accessories such as hats, glasses, or jewelry to give your character a unique look. Now, proceed to the clothing section where you can select from a variety of outfits, including tops, bottoms, and shoes. You can mix and match different items to create a unique outfit for your character. Once you have designed your character, click on the Save button to save your progress. You can then name your character and add a brief description to give it a personality. To further customize your character, you can use the advanced editing tools, such as the color palette and texture options. These tools allow you to fine-tune the details of your character and add a realistic touch. Finally, click on the Export button to export your character to the Polybuzz platform. Here, you can share your character with others, use it in games and animations, or simply showcase it in your portfolio. Throughout the character creation process, keep in mind the key concepts of balance, proportion, and consistency. Ensure that your character is well balanced and proportionate, and that the design elements are consistent with the overall theme. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a unique and engaging character in Polybuzz that reflects your creativity and style. Remember to experiment with different designs and features to find what works best for your character. And don't be afraid to try new things and make mistakes. With practice and patience, you can become a skilled character creator in Polybuzz and bring your imagination to life.